Good morning mga idol. Dito nga pala ako sa unloading place. So may nakatabi ako ritong Pakistan. Pinagluto ko siya ng milk tea mga idol kasi nga umaga ngayon at malamig yung panahon, umulan-ulan. So sabi ko luto ka ng may miss ko na yung milk tea sa Saudi Arabia. Ito katabi natin si Kuliga. Bye! Chahiye?
Keep it outside. So
Okay. Aywa. Chahiye bhai, chahiye. Oh, sarap niyan mga idol, mga buddy oh.
do you like paratha?
Yeah, of course. Oh. What I can share to you. You need something or what?
No, yeah. It is a pleasure for me that you came here.
Thank you very much, my friend.
As a guest.
You are good man. Yeah.
No problem.
Oh, you have prata also. I like. You know, that's why I like this one because only I drink this in Saudi Arabia. I work in Saudi Arabia.
Oh yes.
So I know Pakistani people
Yes, you don't.
very
like-
delicious to
yes,
make this.
Coffee. This one is everyone you know. Most of the Asian.
You know what much better this one if you cook this one with the fire, right? With fire, you know, not this one, not gasol.
Yes.
You know, wood, fire,
Yes.
very delicious
Yes.
in the dessert. Mga idol, it's okay to video,
Yes.
no problem to you. Bye, tige. Atsa.
Zabardast. आप सुनाए? Good.
Which company you are?
Finjes.
Pinihas. Okay, shout out sa iyo, Call Tracker. May katabi kang Pinihas dito.
Yes.
Yan, nagtimpla siya ng chai lib at mainom daw kami ng chai lib. Pinihas, shout out sa mga Pilipino truck driver dyan sa Pinihas.
Yes.
Si Kuliga.
You know my friends.
Speak the name. Dikan
Rimji?
Yeah, Dreamji, yeah, I know.
Yes.
He's Call Tracker, Call.
Yes.
He's vlogger. Dreamji, musta? Yan, shout out ka ng kay Kuliga mo.
Yes, and some more other guys, but difficult for me to pronounce their names.
Okay, man. Maybe they can see this video and they are
Yes.
commenting.
Okay.
Nice, my friend. He's a good man from Pakistan. He making a delicious milk tea
Okay,
with
thank
paratha.
you. No problem.
Nice. Yan, makikihits tayo dito mga idol. Napakabait ni Kuliga, si Baisap. No? You are not working in Saudi Arabia. This is
No,
your
no.
first time here.
First time.
Good money, my friend. Good.
Yes.
Yeah, salary in Europe is better, as a truck driver. So I'm working in Saudi Arabia around 13 years.
13 years.
Yes.
Oh.
That's why I speak Bengali, I speak Nepali, I speak India, Pakistan, everything. Urdu,
Yes, yes.
Pushto. You know Pushto?
I'm Pashtun.
Really? Oh, sange challe. Sange challe.
Khairiyat.
Kerde? Barabare?
Tawa ya akhi.
Barabare. Kerde. Yeah, marunong pala siya magpusto. I have too much friend pusto in Saudi Arabia.
Yes.
Patan ha? Nice. Yan, kasundo kami mga idol. Marunong ako ng salita nila. Gusto. Rotay rotay.
Paratha.
Yeah, paratay, yeah. Rotay is different. Rotay Calabaraze. You know. Yan, kakainin pa tayo ng parata mga idol, mga buddy. So, ito nga pala yung kanya tinimpla oh. Napakasarap ng chai halib mga idol, mga buddy oh. Oh, very delicious. You are good man.
No problem. Thank you.
Sokriya.
शुक्रिया.
सर्दी?
Yes.
सर्दी नहीं है.
सर्दी है थोड़ी बहुत है.
Oh, napakasarap. I miss so much this.
Do you have any social?
Yeah, I have TikTok, I have Facebook. You can admin Facebook, ha? Or you have TikTok?
Yes, I have also.
I upload this one. May Facebook and may TikTok. So you can take now, ha?
Yes.
Muna natin tong masarap na parata, oh. Very delicious, my friend. Napakasarap. Where
Okay.
TikTok where?
Okay, wait, I will
Okay.
add you in my TikTok.
Oh, ang sarap mga idol. May parata pa palibre.
This is okay?
Yeah. So much. This is good for, in morning time.
Yes.
I always drinking this one in Saudi Arabia. This is my favorite.
You can
And-
keep it here.
And dal or I don't know what to call this one. They're cooking like this, beans, and put this one.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. In morning time, but this same like.
Mm.
Because we don't have time now, maybe will keep coming, disturbing your. What time you arrive here?
I think.
You take only 9 hours, huh?
Yes.
Me
You?
12 hours sleep.
12.
12 hours there in
It was
85 kilometers from here.
fix unloading.
So you go straight last night, huh? Maybe you finished driving last night, 7 o'clock, huh? Evening?
Yes,
Driving
yes.
finished. 7 o'clock.
Yesterday I drew almost 9 hours and 50 minutes.
Ah, okay. You use your 10 hours driving time. Sokriya ba is very delicious. Parata,
Paratha.
parata and chai halib. Ayan mga idol. Oh. Chai
Pakistani
halib.
paratha.
Pakistani parata. Super. Number 1. Thank you very much, bay, ha?
No problem.
Shoutout sa mga taga Pinihas dyan. Yan. Pinihas truck driver. Alright. Kain muna kami.